morning, guys. It is Wednesday. Actually, oh, it's afternoon, huh? It's
so
1 o'clock. Good afternoon, guys. We woke up late because we slept in, and now we're feeling great. And it is a hot day, so we are going to Blizzard Beach. Woo! It's the one of the water parks here. Let's check it out. So this is where we ate lunch. We're walking around, and they have these sprinklers on the ground, and I was like, why are the sprinklers broken? And then I realized, oh, it's supposed to cool you off. Cool the ground off. It seriously looks like just the sprinklers are broken though. It's really funny. And the theme here is so weird. It's supposed to be like you're up in like the mountains. Like, it's so weird. It's like snow themed and stuff like that, but it's a water park. So that's the little way to the kids section. There's the summit over there. Alright guys, we found our way to downtown Disney. It's about 7:30 o'clock and Hercules is playing. We went to Blizzard Beach and now we are gonna grab some food and meet with some family tonight. Had a little, what is it called? I don't know, issue where I lost some makeup while we were here at the hotel, and so the hotel gave us some compensation after talking about it and stuff. It was kind of dumb, but I feel like we had to say something about it because it was nowhere. So now we might have to actually eventually get a cab and go buy me another eyeliner is what it was.
That's why your face is naked.
Yeah, so my face looks like this. No, I'm just kidding. The first couple of vlogs I had no makeup on. But anyway, we're in downtown Disney. This one is so different than ours.
I know.
There's Earl's Sandwich over there. We want to go there.
Thunder Rock.
Go that way.
Let's go there. Let's do it.
We gotta get some food. Ah! Heard a lot about this place, huh?
Yeah. And it took us all the way to get to Florida to come and try it.
Yep. Looks pretty good though, lots of options. So look, this is called mini desserts. And it has like little muffin cookies. It looks like the food we feed Emmy, that Auntie makes for her, except in a muffin form. It's really funny. Apple cinnamon muffin. Oh, I'm not gonna get these. What? This is what remains of the sandwich that we got from Earl's Sandwich because we were too hungry and forgot to record. What's the consensus?
Nobody should go here ever.
Yeah? It's terrible, huh?
Terrible. Only me.
I have a garden salad. It's also terrible. All of the sandwiches only for you, huh, honey? It was really, really good.
Yeah.
Really good. Lived up to the hype, right, hun?
It really did.
Absolutely. And this is the best salad I've had in a while, actually. Like a garden side salad. I wish I had like, I think putting some carrots in it would have made it a little bit better, but yeah.
I want to know what's in that sandwich sauce.
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to describe. We'd have to eat it a couple more times to really like try to explain what's in the sandwich sauce, but it's really good. And the chips are kind of like crinkles. It's weird. All of the pins. They have this gnarly pin trading store here in downtown Disney. Look at that! Oh my gosh, you guys. Because they have a Stitch ride here. Okay, I'm buying this. I'm buying this whole thing. That's where this one comes from.
Yeah, you have that one.
I know. I could trade that one because I have that one at home. But I want the whole thing. Honey.
You don't have the rest of those on?
No! I don't have any of those.
Any of them.
Any of them.
Any of the things.
Okay guys, they're downtown Disney. It's pretty amazing, just gotta say. Stitch spits at us. Look at that. We got a strawberry fudge sundae at the Ghirardelli over here. They're delicious. And we're with our family. That's my mom's cousin, Jason, and his wife, Leslie, and their kids, Daniel and Isabella. Hi! And baby's in there. But she's sleeping very, very quietly. It's on. She's only 3 weeks old. Totally napping to the dancing music. Yeah, thankfully.
Yeah.
So cool, yeah. Very fun. Daniel's got ice cream. Look at that. Oh snap. They left us with the baby. They took the kids to the restroom.
What a mistake that was.
We ended up babysitting, even on vacation. This sundae's good. Delicious. Strawberry sundae. And it's so crowded here. Well, it's Wednesday night, and I mean, it's like busy. But I guess the walkway is a lot smaller than like our downtown Disney, and it probably like compared, it's not that busy.
Yeah. Well, I wonder how long it is.
Yeah, I know. We haven't.
It's not as wide.
Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Find out. It's like the yo-yo. Yo-yo.
Natalie, what? Oh, Natalie.
Eat your own Mr. Potato Head. Or Mrs. Look at all the body parts. All the body parts.
It's like a chop shop for potatoes.
Toys, all the toys. Toys everywhere. What? What? The Stitches?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Look at it.
Look at it. Look.
Look at the
Look at all of the
stuff.
things. All of the things.
Look at all of the things.
All of them.